Hi, I'm Mohammed with Baby Car Seat Installers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the crotch buckle position on the Evenflo Embrace 35 infant car seat. Step 1. Decide which of the crotch buckle position is best suited for your child. Step 2. Turn the seat around. Feed the small metal piece through the slot in on an angle. Step 3. Turn the seat around and remove the crotch buckle. Feed the metal piece in on an angle through its new slot on the bottom of the seat. Finally, turn the seat around and make sure it's secure. Feed the harness strap through its slot and secure the seat cover back onto the plastic shell. You'll notice that there are 3 slots for the crotch buckle on the shell of the seat, but only 2 slots on the seat cover. The 3rd slot is to be used for smaller infants or newborns. Feed the metal piece back up through the slot in the front. This will make the crotch buckle shorter to accommodate smaller infants. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with us. If you like our videos, please like them and subscribe to our channel.